In this Couponify review, I'm going to be showing you a cloud-based software that's going to allow you to create profitable coupon websites where all you do is put in your affiliate link, and when anyone purchases, you get the commission. But make sure you stay until the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades and how you can get a discount on the offer you see on the sales page. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out Couponify, just go ahead and click on that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses that you're going to be getting if you purchase this through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says a brand new software creates completely automated and done for you coupon affiliate websites loaded with 60,000 plus coupons in just seconds. Free hosting, including instant approval for 1,000 plus affiliate programs, automatic site creation done for you, blog content included. So essentially what this does is it creates an automatic coupon site. Now, if you've ever tried to go online and purchase a product and you go in there and you see there's like a little place for like a coupon code, what do? You go online, you start searching for coupons, and there's a whole section of people out there. I'm included. I also look for coupon codes. Whenever I'm trying to buy stuff, I look and see like, is there a coupon available for that? And people go searching around online for coupons. Now you can tap into that whenever someone comes over and they look for a coupon. You can make a site that will tap into that niche, and when someone searches and clicks on your link, you get an affiliate sale. You don't have to make any products, you get the affiliate sale. It even has done for you blog content so that you can tap into search engine optimization as well here. So they've got a web app, so there's nothing to install. 60,000 done for you coupons, automatically embed each coupon with your affiliate link, free domain and fast hosting included with this. You can build these automated affiliate coupon websites in seconds, guaranteed approval. It automatically creates relevant blog content as well in order to get in free SEO traffic. So it says step 1, log in. Step 2, you choose any coupon niche that you want to place on your website. It automatically creates your coupon website for you and adds in all your affiliate links for you. And then you can use it says the included traffic software to drive traffic to it. Now, they can say here, you can see here, there are big websites that do this as their main business. Retail Me Not, what I don't know what W plus is or W period is, but Groupon's a big one of them for coupons. You probably know some coupon websites yourself, and you can take a website from this and turn it into this in seconds using the power of this. Let's go down here a little bit more. And they're not throwing big income claims out at you, which I like. I like that they're not saying that you're going to make like $1 million doing this. So let's see. Oh, here's some free traffic that they've gotten with it. That's fine. Here, oh, they're showing here, but here are the income shots. They say this is the money that they've generated with it. Maybe they've generated this money with it. I never know with this income proof. Some of it's just so out of control. But if you're going to purchase it, don't buy it based upon someone else's income proof. Buy it because you're looking to build a website and you are excited about the fact that you can build these coupon websites and they make sense to you. So if you decide to purchase, you're going to get access to the software here. Now it looks like they've got some kind of a coupon code right here to use this code when you at checkout, and try moving your mouse away on the sales page as well to see if a pop-up comes up for another kind of a discount there. I always want you to get the lowest prices. I make less as an affiliate by pointing out these discounts to you. So please hit that like button as it really helps out with my channel. What I'm going to do now is play a quick video for you explaining this a little bit more. Then I'm going to come back, show you the backend area, a real coupon website, and the OTOs.
Friend, what we've achieved is mind-blowing. We've developed proprietary artificial intelligence that lets you create completely automated and done-for-you coupon affiliate websites loaded with 60,000 coupons in just seconds. Just picture what it would be like to have your coupon affiliate website at the top of Google. How easy would it be to get massive free traffic flowing in like a broken dam to your coupon affiliate websites? Coupon sites are one of those great internet-based models. You don't need to create a physical or digital product to sell. In fact, there are no deliverables in this business whatsoever. Plus, it's super easy to build goodwill with your coupon site's visitors because you're not selling anything. In fact, you're giving them discounts on items they already want to purchase. If that interests you, if you're looking for a change in 2022, then it's crucial for you to pay close attention for the next couple of minutes. So please, shut off Facebook, Instagram, email, and all other distractions. Fair enough? Okay. It's no doubt that the coupon craze continues to grow and rise to new heights. According to Velasas Communications, 90% of consumers are using coupons in one way or another. Hawk Incentives also revealed that 97% of consumers search for online coupons when purchasing something. A lot of big brands such as WikiBuy, Groupon, Radican, RetailMeNot are using coupon websites to make money online, and they make thousands of dollars every day using this business model. But we need to accept the truth. Creating a coupon affiliate website is a daunting task because it requires too much complicated coding knowledge and website design skills to make a working coupon website. People need to buy domain and expensive hosting to host coupon affiliate websites. You hesitate to burn your hard-earned money on hiring expensive freelance website creators. You're newbies, and you don't have any affiliate account. You're afraid of getting denied to promote products in many affiliate programs. What if there was a brand new groundbreaking software that could create completely automated and done-for-you coupon affiliate websites loaded with 60,000 plus coupons in just seconds, plus guaranteed to get instant approval for 1,000 plus affiliate programs? A newbie-friendly app creates a profitable coupon affiliate website from scratch in just seconds. It's all thanks to Couponify. Couponify allows you to create completely automated and done-for-you coupon affiliate websites loaded with 60,000 plus coupons in just seconds. All you need to do is just enter your affiliate ID and choose your niche. Couponify will do the rest of the work for you. It works in 3 steps. Step 1, log into Couponify cloud-based software. Step 2, enter your affiliate ID and choose any coupon niche you want to place on your website. We have 1,000 plus affiliate programs, which will give you instant approval. Couponify app automatically creates a completely coupon affiliate website for you in just seconds and automatically embeds each coupon with your affiliate link. Step 3, run the included traffic software to drive 100% passive profits 24/7. After you pick up your copy of Couponify, you can have a fully functional site loaded with 60,000 coupons and high-quality content that's optimized for Google. And it's all smooth sailing from there. If you're tired of going nowhere and want some change, then Couponify is the shortcut you've been searching for. In fact, we sold this offer on a webinar for $997. And you know what? Dozens took us up on it because they knew how fast Couponify would pay for itself. They knew Couponify was their turning point. However, we know that $997 is a lot of money to put out front. We know what it's like to be in your shoes, which is why we're going to offer you Couponify at a price everyone can afford. You won't pay anywhere near $997. You won't pay $297, not $97, not even $47. Just the price of a pizza. But don't think about it and wait any longer. Listen, I know it's hard to get started with new things, especially if you've had a bad experience or two. But if you want to see success online, regardless if you get Couponify or not, you'll need to move forward and take action. And what's the risk? You're backed by our 30-day money-back guarantee. There's no way for you to lose here. Click on the button below this video to get Couponify for the lowest price. We're excited to see you inside.
Okay, so we're back. So this is an actual coupon website that's created with the software. You see multiple different programs here. People that go on here, they go and they click on show that code, and then you get cookied in here by clicking on that. And when they make a purchase, you make the sale. It has a nice search bar right here so that people are searching for things like, let's say they're searching for something for their dog or something. They can go in here and do a quick search for something, and it's going to bring up different coupons that are related to that keyword from your different websites here. So it's got here, it's pulling up ones that are related to dog. People go through, they find a coupon, they click on it, and then you get the sale when that person buys through your link. Here's the backend area where you have all your different websites that you can manage right inside of here and have all your different coupon sites and your active coupons and deals. But of course, there are OTOs. So the first one here is going to give you the unlimited version. This is going to allow you to create unlimited done-for-you coupon affiliate websites, unlimited blog posts in your blog builder, activate live chat and Facebook comments, add unlimited Google Pixels to your site, get unlimited Couponify developer licenses. You can actually sell these sites to people for a one-time price for this. Now, the price isn't listed here, but I'm sure it's a reasonable price for this. Next one is want to double your income. With this, it says it's the advanced version. With the advanced version, it looks like you can add in pop-ups to collect leads and sales with this and monetize those. It's going to give you a bunch of extra different features, push notifications, built-in autoresponder, etc. with this one. So that's the next upgrade. The one after that, it says upgrade creates automatic backlinks to rank your coupon website. So if you want to rank your sites easier with these backlinks, you can get this one. And the last one is reseller license. You can actually sell this, keep 100% of the profits, and sell it like it's your own product. All these OTOs are optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. Okay, so what do I like about Couponify and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about this, just the fact that you create one of these sites and just put it out there, you're not going to automatically start making money. I don't want you to think that. So just be aware that you will need to do some work with this, whether you go out there and you share them on different websites, you share on social media, or you're actively using the blog content to rank. But just know it will take a little bit of work. What do I like about this? This is a neat idea. I love the fact that they've taken the idea of coupon websites and they've automated it. Coupon websites, it just makes sense to me because I've used them so many times and I've made people a ton of affiliate commissions because I've clicked on their links while looking for coupons. If you've done that before, perhaps you understand this concept and you're excited about it too, then definitely check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my Couponify review. If you want to take a look at it, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video as it really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And click that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next review video.